Let's take a look at how to monitor network port activity. When we open a port, we really just say here's a specific area where something can connect. We allow whatever traffic comes to that specific door to be passed through to a program that's waiting for input. Every connection through one of these doors is called a socket, which is defined as a connection which has an address and a port on each end, along with a particular protocol to describe how the data flows between the endpoints. With the SS tool, which replaced the older netstat tool, we can see these sockets and determine what the process is running them. If I just write SS at the command line, I get a lot of information that isn't very interesting to me, mostly system stuff. We can filter by protocol to just look at the TCP sockets. I can write SS-G. Oh well, there's nothing there. That's because SS by default shows connected or established sockets. I can instead ask for listening sockets by adding the L flag. I will write SS-GL, and there we go. This is starting to look a lot more useful. I can see that I am listening for, among other things, SSH connections. Let's start up a program to listen for some input. Here on my router virtual machine, I will start up netcat listening on port 4545. To do that, I will write nc-l4545. I will open up a new terminal here, and if I take a look at my sockets again with ss-tl, I can see a newcomer here called word scores. SS tries to resolve port numbers into recognized services with things like SSH and IP printing. Here it gets them right. For more obscure ports like 4545, it uses what are commonly recognized services on port number. At some point, some software called word scores laid claim to port 4545, but it's not something in wide use now. To see the port numbers instead of guesses at the services provided, we can add the end flag to our command. So I will type ss-tln, and there I can see 22 for SSH and 631 for IP printing and 4545 for netcat. Let's open up the firewall for the port 4545 so we can communicate to it from another system. Alright, firewall -cmd -permanent -zone public -add -port equals 4545-TCP, and I will reload the firewall with firewall -cmd -reload. And then on my other system here, I will connect with NC, the IP address from this network, 11.0.2.6, and port 4545. Okay, I will go back to my router and I will run that same command again, ss-tln. I see that my netcat connection has disappeared. That's because we are asking for the listening socket still, because of the -L flag. If I drop that and try again with ss-gn, I can see now I have an established socket for my system on port 4545. To the other machine, you can see the port number, which is what chose to communicate with this machine. I can look at both listening and established sockets with the A flag instead of L. For example, ss-ANT. You can see it's listed here, right on the line after the port it's responsible for. And if I want to see what the process is responsible for a port, I can add the P flag. I will write ss-INPT. And here, right after the line with the port that's open, I can see NC and the process ID. That's netcat. I encourage you to further explore the sockets using the SS tool. The main page is a great place to start, but For now, let's close this window and netcat over here, and also netcat on the client. See you in the next video.
Yeah.